Mask requirements in schools are once again in question with a new ruling from the Texas Supreme Court. The court sent a signal to the rest of the state today, temporarily blocking Bexar County's mask requirement in government buildings and in schools. Kevin Reese breaks down what that ruling means.
The Texas Attorney General's tweet was celebratory, a win the Texas Supreme Court has ruled on our side, Ken Paxton wrote. The ruling is specific to San Antonio and Bexar County's attempt to mandate masks in defiance of Governor Abbott. But what about Dallas County and school districts all across North Texas?
But I think you can do some tea leaf reading in this for other decisions potentially coming down the road.
Dallas County did win at a temporary injunction hearing this past Tuesday, a district judge in a hearing conducted by Zoom ruling in Judge Clay Jenkins' favor. But like San Antonio and Bexar County, that decision is on its way to the Texas Supreme Court too, a court showing the propensity to swat them down one by one.
It's not a leap to say that they're going to do this for every one of these TROs. They're going to rule the same way.
It would look very much the same.
It's a ruling for San Antonio and Bexar County, but it is really just a message to everybody else.
I think that's what it is. I think the fact that the Supreme Court has kind of spoken and kind of is telling about what they'll ultimately do in most of these cases.
The legal team for Judge Clay Jenkins was meeting this afternoon to discuss their next steps, because the Attorney General's message also included this, that further non-compliance will result in more lawsuits.
A lot of leeway for additional school districts to issue their mask mandates, continue doing what they're doing, but they'll probably be sued for it.
Until sometime later this year, when the Texas Supreme Court decides on the merits of the law, the Texas Disaster Act, bringing all of these legal fights to an end.
I think a lot of people expect that ultimately the governor will prevail on the merits one way or the other.
In Dallas, I'm Kevin Reese.